Hey, Keith Perhac here, founder of SegMetrics. A lot of marketers see Black Friday as the most important day of the year, a make or break moment for their business. And even if Black Friday home run isn't critical for your business, many people still dream of getting a big sales windfall on Black Friday. But let's level set some expectations here. First, scoring big sales on Black Friday is harder today than it used to be. While Black Friday sales were up last year, Black Friday promotions are starting earlier and earlier. I even saw one start as early as Halloween. Also, the competition for attention is hotter than ever. Companies are getting more sophisticated in their marketing and their strategy. Second, people know the drill. Black Friday deals are expected, common, and to be honest, not that interesting. People are less interested in going to stores and searching for the best deals. Together, this means that businesses have to work harder, be more creative, and start planning farther ahead to really capture attention and drive sales on Black Friday. Are you getting ready for Black Friday already? You should be.